If you are using the donjoy McGuire Open Patella knee pad for your post-op recovery, applying your skin barrier incorrectly can ruin your thermal therapy or cause uncomfortable friction on your kneecap. Getting a perfect slip-free alignment shouldn't be a frustrating guessing game during your rehabilitation. Today, we're breaking down a step-by-step guide on how to use the Omni Ice skin barrier so you can protect your skin effortlessly. Now, let's dive right in. If you're using the donjoy McGuire knee pad, you know it features a specialized open patella design to relieve pressure on your kneecap. To protect your skin from cryoburns, you need an equally precise barrier. We highly recommend the Omni Ice non-sterile skin barrier for this pad. It is an extremely economical alternative to expensive factory sterile dressings. Features double strength adhesive strips so it won't slide around, and because it's non-sterile, you can handle and adjust it completely stress-free right out of the package. Prepare your donjoy pad. Start by laying your donjoy McGuire knee pad completely flat on a clean table or flat surface. Next, open your Omni Ice skin barrier packaging. Take out the barrier fabric and locate the adhesive backing strips. Go ahead and peel off these protective paper tabs to expose the adhesive. Because this barrier is non-sterile, you don't need to worry about contaminating it with your hands. Just handle it normally. Then, you will notice the Omni Ice barrier has a custom cutout that perfectly matches the circular opening of your donjoy McGuire pad. Hover the barrier directly over the pad, line up the circular opening over the pad's open patella hole, and match the outer edges. You may also cut out the circular piece if needed. Next, once it's lined up, press the barrier firmly down onto the pad. Smooth out any wrinkles from the center outward. Thanks to the 2 times stronger adhesive backing, it will lock tightly onto the pad fabric. It won't bunch up, slide, or wrinkle when you wrap it around your leg. Are you currently recovering from a meniscus tear, an ACL reconstruction, or a total knee replacement with your donjoy system? Drop a comment below with your answers, questions, or any videos you'd like to see next. Once your barrier is secured to the pad, you are ready to wrap it around your joint, secure the straps, and safely start your cold therapy cycle. Your skin is fully protected. Condensation is managed by the breathable material, and the healing cold transfers perfectly to your knee. That is how to use the Omni Ice skin barrier for the donjoy McGuire knee pad with open patella, cleanly, efficiently, and safely. You can pick up this budget-friendly, high-grip skin barrier custom-sized for your donjoy system on our website. We hope this guide gives you the confidence you need to take the next step in your recovery. To ensure you're set up for success from start to finish, be sure to explore the rest of our video library for more expert tips and walkthroughs. If you're looking for the medical devices and products featured in our videos, head over to mycoldtherapy.com to browse our full collection. Got a question about today's topic or a suggestion for a future video? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from our community. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and join us on the journey to better mobility. Thanks for watching, and as we always like to say around here, let's get back to living.